In addition to planets, there are also asteroids in the solar system. You see, the gap between Jupiter and Mars is quite high. This is Mars, this is Jupiter, and the gap is filled with very tiny objects, and these tiny objects are called asteroids. So, we can say the small objects found between Mars and Jupiter are called asteroids. Have you ever observed a star with a tail, commonly called Puchal Tara? Now, this star has a bright head and a tail. It revolves around Sun, but in a highly elliptical orbit, and when it is revolving, the tail is always away from the Sun. So, because it is elliptical, there would be a time when it will be close to Sun, and when it is close to Sun, its tail increases in length, and that is about the comets. Such stars are called comets. The comets keep appearing. One of the comet called Halley's comet appeared in 1986, and it appears after every 76 years. So, now you can calculate when will you be able to see it again, and will you be there? I do not think I will be there, but of course, you can be there to have a look at it. Meteors are small objects entering the solar system. When they are entering the atmosphere, they move with great speed, and as a result lot of heat is generated. Due to this heat, they start glowing, and when they glow, because of heat they evaporate, and so it disappears. So, meteors are like streaks which appear and disappear very fast, and it is all because of heat generated due to friction, glow, and then evaporation. But sometimes the meteors are very large, so large that all of it does not evaporate, and a part of it reaches the earth, and that is what is called the meteorites. Now, these meteorites can be studied, and it has given us lot of information. So, if you are asked to define a meteor, it is a small object moving with great speed appearing as a streak and then disappearing. That is about meteors and meteorites. Now, there are satellites. Moon is a satellite of Earth, but man has also made many satellites. These satellites are of great utility also. India itself has made satellites like Aryabhata, INSAT, Kalpana 1 and IRS. Aryabhata, INSAT, IRS, Kalpana 1. Now, what is the use of these satellites? The satellites tell us about weather forecast, TV communication, remote sensing, and so on. So, all the TV and the other things that you see are because of these artificial satellites. See where the man has reached. It has reached the moon, it has made its own satellites, and soon it will be able to settle even on other planets. It will change those planets to a condition where life can exist. And also another thing to remember is that out of the entire solar system, it is only the Mother Earth which can support life. So, don't you think we need to look after it?